Hello everybody, hello Primary 5. Today we're explaining lesson 2 in chapter 7. It's a grammar lesson and it's about adverbs. Who's ready to come and know what adverbs are? Come on. Adverbs, from their name we can guess that they are related to verbs. Generally, adverbs describe verbs. They describe verbs. Let us check the uses. Adverbs tell us how somebody does something, Like, for example, the boy is running quickly. How is the boy running? He's running quickly. Okay, they tell us more about the verbs, and they are used with verbs, like I told you. Adverb, verbs. Okay, let us check the examples together. The girl sings happily. Here I'm describing how the girl sings, right? And I'm describing the verb, sings. In number 2, the boy is running quickly. Again, I'm describing the verb. How is the boy running? Right? Okay. Let's go to the form, and you can guess the form with me. I said happily, quickly. So, adverbs are formed generally like this. An adjective plus ly. Adjective plus ly. Like, for example, slow, slowly, quick, quickly. Okay, somebody will ask me, I want to remember what adjectives are. Adjectives are what? Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives describe nouns. Like, for example, Ali is a good runner. Here, good describes Ali himself. It's describe a noun. What about adverbs? Adverbs describe verbs. Like, Ali runs well. Well is an adverb for good. Okay, so well actually describes how Ali runs. Okay, now let us go to know more about the forms of the adjectives, both the regular and the irregular ones. Come on, are you ready? Yes, the regular ones, here they are. Let us stay together. Quiet, quietly. The adjective bad, adverb badly. Adjective slow, adverb slowly. Quick, quickly. Careful, carefully. What about easy and happy? What did you notice? There's Y here. No, I took it and I put ILY. So happy, happily is ILY at the end. Okay? Brave, bravely. Polite, politely. Those are the regular ones. Let us check the irregular ones. Okay? Regular adverbs. The adjective good, its adverb is well. I don't say goodly. I say well. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. So fast and hard, I do not change anything. The adjective is just like the adverb. Okay? Fine. Now let's answer some questions together. You ready? Choose questions. Number 1. The man walked space to his car and drove away. Here I want to describe how the man walked. So I want an adverb. I would say the choices: angry, angrily, slow, or sad. Which one here is an adverb? Do you remember? Adverbs are like what? They end in ly if they are regular, right? So, the man walked. Yes. Excellent. The man walked angrily. Number 2. My friend is studying space in the library. And I have here, again, I'm describing how she's studying, right? So I need an adverb. Happy, angry, hungry, or hard. Do you remember the irregular adverbs or no? Yeah. So do you remember what's the adverb for the adjective hard? Excellent. It's also hard. So my friend, hard here is an adverb. My friend is studying hard in the library. Good job, Primary 5. Number 3. My brother jumped space into the water to save the kid. Again, I want to describe how my brother jumped, so I need an adverb. Will it be brave, strong, bravely, or afraid? Yeah. My brother jumped bravely. Good job. Number 4. I watched the movie space. It's my favorite one. Okay. So, as I told you, I need an adverb. Right? So excited is not an adverb, bored not an adverb. I have here excitedly and badly. But please pay attention that I said it's my favorite one. I like it. So it's gonna be badly? No. Yeah. The answer is gonna be excellent. Excitedly. I watched the movie excitedly. Good job. Mr. Smith walked space next to me without saying hello. Walk sad, happy, quietly, or quick. He walked quietly. Good job. Now, number 6 is a little bit different. She is a space girl. She passed all her exams. Here, I'm not describing a verb. I'm describing the girl. She. It's a noun. The girl. Okay. So, here I need an adjective, not an adverb. So, I have clever, kindly, bravely, and stupid. And please pay attention that she passed all her exams. That's a little bit, yeah. That seems like she is excellent. She's a clever girl. Good, primary 5. Now let's go to the rewrite questions. Number 1, Salahuddin was a brave fighter. He wants me to use bravely. So bravely is an adverb that will describe a verb. Now can you tell me, what does a fighter do? Yeah, a fighter fights. He fights. So I will use the verb fight. But please pay attention. I said was. So the sentence will be in the past simple. Who can tell me the past form for the verb fight? Excellent. Fought. So the sentence will be Salahuddin fought bravely. Good job. Number 2. Ahmed is a very good football player. He wants me to use well. So I will describe a verb here. What does a football player do? Yeah, he plays football. Okay, so it will be like this. Ahmed plays football very well. Ahmed plays football very well. So because well is the adverb for the adjective good. Number 3. The girl was hungry and he wants me to use ate. The sentence is in the past simple, so I will use ate. The girl ate. How did the girl eat? Who can tell me? Who can tell me how she ate? She was hungry, so she ate what? What is the adverb for the adjective hungry? Who can remember? Excellent. The girl ate hungrily. Yeah. Number 4. The children were excited when they watched the movie. I want to use excitedly. So, how did they watch? What was the feeling? How did they watch it? Who can tell me? Yeah, I will say it like this. The children watched the movie excitedly. Great. Number 5. The boy has a loud voice. Speaks. How does a person with a loud voice speak? Who can tell me? What is the adverb for the adjective loud? Loudly. So the boy speaks loudly. The boy speaks loudly. Good job. Number 6. I have here, Sarah plays basketball very well. He wants me to use good. So good is an adjective which describes a noun. And yes, this question is a little bit similar to number 2, but they are actually opposite. Okay? So Sarah plays basketball very well. I want to describe Sarah herself now. So it's going to be, Sarah is a very good basketball player. Great. Very good basketball player. Number 7, last one here. Ali answered the exam. It was easy. He wants me to use easily. So I will describe how he answered the exam, right? How will this be? Come on. Yeah, great. Ali answered the exam easily. Good job, primary 5. Now let us make some questions together. Come on. It says here, number 1. She walks to school slowly. How? Do you remember when I told you that adjectives actually tell us how somebody does something? So I will ask about slowly. Slowly is the answer. Don't forget. Do not put it in the question. Okay? So this sentence is in the past simple or the present simple or the past continuous? It's in the present simple. Great. So I will use does. How does she walk to school? How does she walk to school? Again, do not write slowly in the question because I'm actually asking how does she walk to school. Do not include the answer in the question. Pay attention to this. Number 2. The teacher shouted angrily because the students were noisy. I say why. So I'm asking about the reason. So my answer is here. Because the students were noisy. This is the answer to my question. Now I want to make a question. And pay attention that the sentence is in the past simple. So I will use why did, yeah, excellent. Why did the teacher shout angrily? Good job. Number 3. I have here. Yes, she sang happily yesterday. Yes, she sang happily yesterday. What will I say? It's a yes or no question. So I will make it like this. Did she sing happily yesterday? And always remember that yes or no questions are questions that answer starts with either yes or no. Did she sing happily yesterday? Number 4. It says here, she does her job quietly. Again, I'm going to ask, how does she, what's the main verb here? Does. So here is do, yes? So it's going to be, how does she do her job? How does she do her job? Okay? Number 5. Jane plays the guitar well. I want to ask, the way Jane plays the guitar, you can tell me. Yeah, it's in the present simple, so you'll use does. How does Jane play the guitar? How does Jane play? Yeah. Number 6 and the last one. The boys talked loudly in the class. They talked loudly. I want to ask how, and that sentence is in the past simple, so you say how did, How did the boys talk in the class? They talked loudly. Good job, primary 5. That was all for today. Thank you all for listening. Please answer more questions in the booklet. Good luck and thank you very much. Bye bye.